Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to deactivate a global pick list value in Salesforce. And we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic interface. So let's proceed and firstly understand what does we mean by deactivating a global pick list value in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, by deactivating the global pick list value, I mean that I want to disable or remove the global pick list value from the predefined list of the global pick list value option. And by deactivating this global pick list value, you, the users, are not able to select the global pick list value anymore, but it remains in my system record. And if you want to reactivate it again, you can reactivate easily. So let's try to understand it with example. Suppose you have a global pick list value name as a ticket priority. It has a different values such as high, medium, low and urgent. And now due to the change in the ticket management process, your company decide to disable the urgent value for some temporary time. Like I want to stop the urgent selling of the ticket for some temporary time. So what I do, I deactivated the global pick list value called as a urgent for some temporary basis of time, and whenever I need in the future I can easily reactivate it. So now let's proceed and discuss how we can deactivate the global pick list value in Salesforce Lightning. So first of all, your step is to log in into your Salesforce account as an administrator. Once you successfully logged in as an administrator, you make sure that you are in a Lightning interface. If you are not in the Lightning one, firstly switch yourself to the Lightning. Now, so after logging into the Salesforce Lightning, you most of the time redirect to the main home tab, or you can say a tab of a application, a specific application in a Salesforce. You will redirect it to the home page of that. Like this time I am at the community homepage. Now I am not on the main setup homepage of a Salesforce Lighting. So for that I click on the gear icon given on the top right side, and from here I click on the setup option. Once I click on that, it redirects me to the new tab where it open a main home setup for the lighting interface in Salesforce. Once I redirect here, my next step is to click on the quick find box that is given on the left side, and here I need to search for the pick list value set. As I told you again, the pick list value set is also known as a global value set, and this option is available under the objects in the field section. Once you get it, click on that and it will take you to the page where you will get the list of a pick list value set, or you can say a global pick list value set. And now from this list of a global pick list value set, it's time to choose up the global value set whose value you want to deactivate for some time. And let's do it for the consulting industry. So here I have a global pick list value for the consulting industry. I click on the name of that global pick list value. I am not clicking on the edit option that is given next to it. I am again saying you that you need to click on the name of this global pick list value. Once I click on that, it will take me to the specific page of this global pick list value name as a consulting industry, and here you can scroll down and see that here we have a value section. In this value section, it will show me different values that are presently activated in your system right now. Here we have also a section of inactive values. It shows the values in this section that are inactivate, or you can say that are deactivated for some time being. Here you can see that here I have deactivate a value retail for some time of being, but now I also want to deactivate it the technology value from this global pick list value set. Now to deactivate, what I have to do, you can simply see that in next to the values we have an option of a deactivate. You simply need to click on this deactivate value next to the value that you want to deactivate. I click on the deactivate value next to the technology, and here you can see that I get a pop-up, are you sure? Yes, I am sure I want to deactivate, so I simply click on OK. When I click on OK, it's take me back to the page, and now you can see that the technology value or is removed from this value section of a global pick list value, and it moved to the inactivate section of a global pick list value. Now it shows you in the inactivate values. So you can see here it is a technology. So with this we have learned to deactivate global pick list value in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will proceed and discuss how we can do that in a Salesforce Classic also. So for that you firstly need to shift to the yourself in a Classic. So I click on my profile and here I have option of a switch to a Salesforce Classic. It's take me to the Classic interface, and here now you can see that you are on a main home page of a Salesforce Classic. Now it's time to click on the setup option that is given on the top right side, and once I click on the setup option, it's take me to the page where I can search for the pick list value set in the quick find box. So now on the left side I have a quick find box. I simply here search for the pick list value set. Now here you can see that you will get the picklist value set option under the create drop down, and it is located under the build section. So I click on that, and once I click on that, it will take me to the page where I will see the list of all global list values that are present in the Salesforce system. Now it's time to choose up the global picklist value whose value you want to deactivate for sub type of being. I am going to show you this time for a case status. So I simply click on the case status name as a global pick list value. So once I click on that, it will take me to the page where I will get the specific details about this case status or global pick list value. Now it's time to decide the value who you want to deactivate for some time of being. I want to deactivate the low global pick list value from the list of the global pick list value for some time of being. So I simply click on the deactivate option giving next to this low global pick list value name. So I click on the deactivate. It shows me a pop-up. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure to deactivate it. So I simply click on OK, and it deactivated that value and shift it to the inactivate value section. You can see that it takes the value from the value section and move it to the inactivate value section. The value remain in your system, but this value is not able to show on the global pick list value list of the user. Now the user are not able to see it in a pick list value section. So wherever you use this thing, you are not able to see it in a drop down list of the global pick list value set. So with this we have learned how to rename. So with this we have successfully learned how to deactivate the global pick list value in Salesforce Classic. If you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.